guys, like we've been listening to you, Lento Beni Kuluma. So I have a question. Ukuthi yini envimbayo from like speaking out your feelings kumantombazane?
Because I wouldn't say 90% of the time, but majority of the time, amantombazane use what we vented about yin against us, which is something.
But you don't have to vent umuntu wentombazane like girlfriend yakho or something. Find someone ukuthi ukhulume naye. Angithi wena uthi andikwazi ukuthetha nabantu ini.
You can't just talk.
And discussing samanje nama female besties, why don't you talk?
Exactly.
You cannot just talk anything with anyone.
But I can talk to you as a boyfriend.
Why can't you exactly? Kodwa nizothi go through a lot. Kodwa nifuna ukuthetha nabantu bengathi
Make sense.
You know, like why you don't like okay speaking. They just say me and you are dating, and we end up breaking up. You know, we go our separate ways. The things that I've been like, you know, you've seen my vulnerability, you've seen my weaknesses and stuff. You see, yeah. But when you go and you know with the chonies, we broke up and this, you'll end up speaking my weaknesses to people.
We shared our weaknesses to each other.
Exactly.
Like,
how can I?
So we have
indaba zami when I give to your friends.
Like most gents, like we prefer not to expose. But men or women will okay. Oh, that guy is a 2-minute guy, or is a 1-minute guy.
That depends on why we broke up.
We need chips.
That depends on what you
Exactly.
So mina mangizokenza le nto into yakho ukuthini hayi ngizotshela umhlaba ukuthi ukuthini unechips.
If uvula inhliziyo kabuhlungu wena go expect ukuthi ngenzeni.
This is why we don't speak about their problems to women.
And if we're like, you know, okay, city like
inkinga yenu i1 nina nicabanga ukuthi all amantombazane ayafana. Khona amantombazane anesifuba that can take izinto and say them to them.
But whether mawuthanda nomuntu like you can uyambona umuntu wakho ukuthi like makuhamba isikhathi ukuthi lo muntu onjani.
Umuntu uyashintsha phela.
Mawuzothi amantombazane you including all of us lapho.
Phela.
And which is wrong when wathanda sithi nabafana abanjalo bonke.
Niyafana ngama 2 minutes.
Vele nje ngijwayele ukusho njalo. So akasinto entsha esoyizwa leyo. Asinto entsha esoyizwa. Bashimani kaufela liba ikidinja.
Vele. Boys are treasure nje wani
sama which means sizidogmos nalezizi.
Angithi asibhalwa ngisho asibhalwanga la. So ake ngokumazi umuntu ungavela kuwe ne right ngithami nazi ngizokuphatha grand. Kanje.
But makambe isikhathi ngithi ngiyakwazi ukufunda ukuthi umuntu onjani.
Mina ngize ngale side lelo lazi le side what if ngiyakufebela ngaka undercarpet akuyo.
But into yenzekela kubumnyameni obuyasiza
ukukhanyela.
Ayikho leyo nto.
Yibo wakho ndengaveli.
Shoot wena uchita nomuntu ongakwazi ukuchita.
Uyabona wasifanda ukuthi ba uyachita.
Kanjani?
Like things happen wena.
How will you even find out?
How will you find out?
Guys, whoa. If ever nina nithi amantombazane ayafana like let's say for example senjole maybe 2 years and then like ayikho into ayikhulumayo kubangani bakhe, so why is it hard for wena ukuthi ukhulume naye lo muntu lo because izinto ezenzayo la endlini akasithatha ukukhuluma nabangani bakhe.
Awazi awuhlali naye.
Amantombazane ayakhuluma ngaphandle indaba sheshe ifike.
Into ngisho ukuthi thina asazi ngoba wena unabangani
because ungena ku relationship already awuthembi umuntu wakho.
Exactly. Why you
get comfortable nalo?
It's not like it's
asitheni ayikho sikhuluma izinto esisifisayo. Not saying that it's a bad thing.
But communicating with
because
each other
you know,
is like the key in the relationship.
We've been given that thing of like man is a provider, man is a leader, man is a that, man don't cry. So
man is a provider. Isikhathi samanje asiyazi we are
We provide for them.
Siyashada nokushada ke manje
your strata there, I can't like for me personally I can't accept that. Me personally I can never see intombazane ukuthi ngishada.
Ayina nizoshada nalini.
Africa, we are the one who do those stuff, not the other way around. Nah.
Africa, ne?
This is Africa. We mostly respect our culture, traditions. We go according to the tradition.
I need depressing now. Yes.
Let's see.
For shame, no?
Yeah.